Unplug the wire to the lens stack from the right post. Unscrew the 4 standard screws. Like the interface, leave the top one to be last. Once the screw's out, the whole thing will fall, so make sure you hold it. Use a 4mm nut driver to remove the wire. Remove 4 standard screws on other side of ceramic disc. Holding onto the ceramic disc so you can tell when all the screws are out. Easiest to remove the old parts and put new ones right into their place. We can see here that the old hole size is bigger than the new one. Stack stainless tube with ceramic disc on top. Using the long screw that the wire will screw onto, you can use to line up all the parts. Put on lower aluminum spacer. Don't quite snug that screw up yet. Leave it loose so it can float for the other screws to go in. Be careful to not leave any burrs on these screw heads, or that can cause arcing. After one preventative maintenance visit, once you went up to the extraction voltage of 2000 volts, you would not get a signal. And once the burr was removed from that screw, the signal came back, so be cautious. Once all 4 screws are in place, you can snug them all. You want the wire on for it to curve inwards, and then put the nut on it and tighten. Be very careful to put not too much torque on the wire or it might break. Install the top screw first to get it aligned with the wire in the correct position, but do not snug it tight. After all 4 screws are in place, then lightly snug them. Do not over tighten these because you could crack the ceramic plate. Remember to plug the wire in before closing the system. Remove O-ring. Take out your new O-ring. Wipe down groove and install new O-ring dry.